3 a.m. I'm on my way to the airport. All right, I must be the first one here at the airport because I don't see any of my cousins yet. Let's go find them. This one.
Good to see you.
Yo, 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 yo! Just made it.
Hey, we just landed.
Right, I haven't seen this guy in a long time. We got Ronaldinho. What's going on?
Good to see you, man. How you been?
How's it going?
Good.
We're gathering the crew here. We got a couple guys. We got a couple guys more to find. Once we're all sorted, we're gonna go get the rental cars. Hopefully all our guns and everything showed up. Probably shouldn't say that too loud in the airport. Well, we'll figure it out. Hey there, sir. I need this.
We're here. We're lighting a few guns.
So we are trying to find one of our gun bags right now. We're one short. And we don't plan on hanging out here very long before we get out of here, so. At least they keep yours locked up. Mine was just laying on the floor. Yeah. Behind a red line of tape. Super secure. So Jason is, yeah, it's okay. Jason is getting the gun situation sorted. They're gonna be delivered, hopefully tonight, by Delta. All right, here's the rental. Just kidding. Here we go.
I'm doing.
Welcome to almost South Dakota. Oh, look at these guys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. You guys are all packed up, ready to roll, huh?
Yeah.
All right, have fun. You know how this goes. What's going on? What's going on, dogs? Welcome to Minneapolis.
Thank you.
We're only down 3 guns.
Happy to be here.
Down 3 guns at about 17 degrees.
Yeah, Jesus. It's a little chilly out. You guys are like comfy, ready to rock.
Did they tell you what happened?
Dude, they were sitting next to each other. Literally, they had two, cases.
Right.
And one case made it and one case did not. So, I guess they're gonna drive it in.
It'd be very risky.
Crack pepper could be a risk. Breakfast of champions. Peace out, Delta. Thanks for nothing. How you feeling?
Not bad.
Running on
I don't want to eat McDonald's. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I guess it's a McNugget type of day.
Howdy, everyone. We are at stop number 1 of 2 from our travels from Minneapolis to Clark, South Dakota. We are currently in Montevideo, Minnesota at the McDonald's. Open to get a quick bite to eat, maybe some lubricant, and hit the road. 2 more hours to go to Double P.
We almost got in a fist fight over it. And he told me to take that aggression out on the road. Did you drive over the hill? Oh, yes, I did. That's what I told John, and John was like, can't do that. That's illegal. Put your big boy pants on. Marty, you've been promoted to cockpit manager. John's out.
Taking on my drive.
All right, people, we are now at Double P Ranch. The crew is getting settled in. We got our cheese balls. Ben's still thinking about work. It's a problem. Everybody else is pretty happy to be here. Pretty happy to be here. Mood, what do you think? You like this place?
Love it, man.
Welcome, boys.
You too with your vitamin water.
To Double P.
Flies dies unless they jump off the roof.
Don't shoot this line where she turns the letters. Katrina, would you like to show what's on the salad platter?
So what do we got here?
Today we're having South Dakota beef. Prime rib.
Ooh, the South Dakota.
About 6 hour long cook on that.
I love it.
Hunting day one. Heading out.
Heading out to the fields right now. We got Matt as our guide. 4 in this truck. We got a truck in front of us full of 4.
Why don't you show them the road?
I will show him the road. Thanks, Jason. Back to you, Cotton. All right, got my first bird of the day. Single shot, pretty much landed in the guide's lap, so love that. But you could tell we got an experienced group of guys out here because, you know, 3 or 4 guys probably had a beat on that and they let me get it. I hadn't shot a bird yet, so, you know, experienced crew goes a long way for courtesy. On to the next field. Heard a lot of birds squawking next to us, so hoping we get one. Hit one? Oh, good boy. You're such a good honey boy.
Not this year's bird.
Last year,
pistol.